Good morning students. Today we are starting the new chapter Identities. Our fourth lesson Identities. So here the definition of the identity is an identity is an equalities that holds true regardless of the values chosen for its variables. That means identity is an equalities. Equalities means what? Equal, isn't it? So identity is the equal that holds true. So identity is always true, and also regardless of the values chosen for each variable. So we can choose any variable. So identity is equal that holds true. So identity is equal and also it is always true, and also it regardless of the values chosen for each variable. So identity is an equation. In that equation we can see the variables. So we can give any values for that variable. It will be always true. That means we can go with the example ax plus bx x square plus dx plus c is equal to 0. That means ax plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is always, this equation holds always 0. It is true, and also we give any value to this variable, the answer will be always 0. We will give any values, means 1. If we give 1 to the variable x, for this equation we will get 0. So it is always true. Look at the another definition. By this definition means this definition, the two sides of an identity are interchangeable. So we can replace one with the other anytime. That means if we write the equation in two sides, here also equation and here also equation, we will look at next. Two sides of an identity are interchangeable, so we can replace one with the other anytime. We can give any variables at one time. Okay. By the second definition, we will see one example. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We already studied in our earlier class, isn't it? So here a and b are the variables, so we can give any value to this variable. So I will give 2. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. We will give any variables to this. Here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. So we can write a is equal to 2, isn't it? So 2 square plus 2 into a is 2 into b is 3 plus b square. b is 3, so we can write it as 3 the whole square. So what is the answer here? 2 plus 3 is 5, isn't it? So 5 the whole square is equal to 2 the whole square. 2 the whole square is 4. 2 into 2, 2 the whole square is 4 plus 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3 is 3 into 2 is 6, right? 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2, 12 plus 3 the whole square, 9. So here 5 the whole square is 25. So it's equal to the total 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 12 is 25. So we can say that RHS is equal to LHS, or LHS is equal to RHS. Means here in the equation a plus b the whole square, it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. If we give any value to this variable, we will get equal. So we can say that identity is equal, and we can give any value to this variable, it will be RHS is equal to LHS. So in this chapter we are going to study like this type of questions. So it is called as identities. So here the next topic, product sum. So here 26 into 74. In another way, we already know that 26 into 74. 26 into 74, right? This is one method. Here we are using the another method to find the answer. So we can write 26 as 20 plus 6. 20 plus 6, isn't it? We can write 26 as 20 plus 6 and also into and also 74 as 70 plus 4, isn't it? So we can write 26 as 20 plus 6 and also 74 as 70 plus 4. Then the next step is we should multiply the numbers as the first number as this, means 20 into 70. 20 into 70 plus then 20 into 4. 20 into 4. The first number multiplied by the next number means 20 into 70 and also 20 into 4. And 6 into the next number is multiplied by the first number and also the second number is multiplied by the second number. So 6 into 70 plus 6 into 4. The first number is multiplied by the second number of the first number and the first number is multiplied by the second number plus the second number is multiplied by the second number of the first one and also the second number is multiplied by the second number of the second one. That is 20 into 70, then 20 into 4, 6 into 70, 6 into 4. Then 20 into 70 is 1400 plus 20 into 4, 80 plus 6, 7. So here 6 into 7 is 420, 6 into 70 is 420 plus 6 into 4 is 24. Then we will get the total value is 1924. So this is another method to find the multiplication of 26 into 74. And also, so this is a method to find 26 into 74. You should try this also, same method, okay? This is for you the homework. So 103 or 103 into 205, how to divide to this number 103. So here 26 is 20 plus 6. So we can write 103 or 103 as 100 plus 3. And also 205, we can write 200 plus 5. The same method, okay? So next we are studying the interesting topic, calendar mass. So we are using here calendar, okay? So all of you know that calendar, isn't it? So here, this is a calendar. Look at the question first. As in the calendar, mark 4 numbers in a square. So first we should choose 4 numbers in a square, okay? So here we are choosing the 4 number as this, okay? 1, 2 and 8, 9. So we can write, I will write in a board, okay? 1, I will write 2 here, okay? 1, 2 and 8, 9. Okay? I choose the 4 numbers in a square. This is in a square shape. So 1, 2 and 8, 9 I write on the board. Then find the difference of diagonal products. So what is diagonal? This is, we can see the diagonal numbers. Okay? Cross product. Okay. Find the difference of diagonal products. It is the same for all squares of 4 numbers. So first we will find this. So first we have to find difference of the diagonal products. So first is diagonal product, isn't it? So what is the diagonal product? First we select the 2 numbers. This is the diagonal. So we will select 2 numbers. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. Sorry, product isn't it? So 9 into 1 and also 8 into 2. Here we will multiply the diagonal numbers. So here product of the diagonal numbers. Isn't it? Product of the diagonal numbers. Product means what? Multiplication of the diagonal numbers. So product of the diagonal number is 9 into 1 is equal to 9 and also 8 into 2 is 16. So what is the next question? Difference of the diagonal products. We find the product of the diagonal, then we have to find the difference. So what is the difference of the difference of this diagonal product? So difference is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. So we can say that in the diagonal products, first we have to find the diagonal products, then difference of the diagonal products. This is the question. So here we will choose any number in the calendar. We will choose any number in the calendar of 4. Okay, 4 numbers in a square. We will get the difference is 7 because in a calendar we will choose the 4 number, isn't it? So what is the difference between these two numbers? 8 minus 1 is 7 and also 9 minus 2 is 7. We will choose any number in the calendar. The difference of this number is 7. Okay? Okay students. So we selected the 4 numbers, isn't it? 1, 2, 8, 9. So we can choose any 4 numbers in the calendar. Here we are using this number how to find in an algebraic method. So using algebraic method, so first we will select the first number as x, isn't it? The first number we can select x. So what is the next number? X is equal to 1. So what is the next number? X plus 1, isn't it? So value of x is 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the next number? We should get the answer 8. So the value of x is 1. So we can write x plus 7. So the next number is x plus 1. So what is the next number? Easily we can write x plus 8. So the first number is x. The value of x is 1. So what is the next number? X plus 2. Sorry, x plus 1. That is the value is 2. And also here we should come the answer. We should have the answer 8. So x plus, we will write x plus 7. The value of x is 1. So 1 plus x 7 is 8. Isn't it? Like that, x plus 8. So this is the 4 number in algebraic method. We should find the product of this number, isn't it? So how to product of the diagonal numbers? So we can find out how to find out the product of this number. So first select this two number x into x plus 8, isn't it? So how to write the answer? X into x is x square and x into 8 is 8x. So this is the product of the first diagonal number. What is the second number? X plus 1, product of the diagonal. Okay, product of the diagonal. So x plus 1 into x plus 7, isn't it? So how to write? X into x is x square plus x into 7 is 7x plus 1 into x is x or 1x. That's it. Then 1 into 7 is 1. So the answer will be x square plus 7x plus x is 8x plus 7. This will be the second answer. The diagonal product of the second one. The diagonal product of the first one is x square plus 8x. The diagonal product of the second one is x square plus 8x plus 7. So you should write here the diagonal product of the Then what is the next step? Difference of this diagonal product, isn't it? So difference is equal to the second number is x square plus 8x plus 7 minus what is the first number? The product of the first number is x square plus 8x, isn't it? Listen carefully here. X square plus 8x plus 7. This number, in this number we should minus this all number, not only x square, okay? All number we should minus. So here we will write x square plus 8x plus 7 minus, it will be all number will be negative. So x square plus will be minus 8x. Okay. If remove the bracket, we will write here, it will be converted into plus as minus. Okay. So plus x square is cancelled, minus x and plus x is cancelled, and also 8x and 8x is cancelled. So the answer will be 7. Isn't it? It will be correct, right? The first we will find in a number, it will be the difference between that product is also 7. In using algebraic method, the difference is also 7. Okay, so we will find the product of the diagonal numbers. We will get the difference between the product of the diagonal number will be 7 in a number, and also using algebraic method we will get the same. Okay. So in your textbook there is a sum of the activities. You should find the answer like this, and also if you have any doubts in that questions, just ask me in a WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.